Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trends, your ultimate destination for all things cars, speed, and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most loved SUVs in the world, the 2025 Honda CR-V. If you're in the market for a stylish, efficient, and family-friendly SUV, stick around because the CR-V just might be your perfect ride. The CR-V has been a staple in Honda's lineup for decades now, and in 2025, it continues to evolve. With a sleek exterior redesign, upgraded tech, and even more efficient hybrid options, Honda's not just sticking with the formula, they're fine-tuning it. And let's be real, Honda knows exactly what they're doing when it comes to reliable SUVs. Let's kick things off with the design. The 2025 CR-V looks sharper than ever. The front end is bold, with a wider grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a sportier bumper. It's got more presence on the road without screaming for attention. The lines flow better across the body, giving it a refined yet dynamic feel. Whether you're pulling up to the office or heading out on a weekend road trip, this car turns heads without trying too hard. Move around to the side, and you'll notice subtle changes in the proportions. The 2025 model sits a little longer and wider than the previous version, giving passengers more room inside and improving ride stability. The rear has also been updated with modern taillights and a more sculpted tailgate. And yes, it still keeps that classic CR-V silhouette we all recognize, but with a fresher vibe. Inside, Honda's stepped up the game in a big way. The cabin feels more premium, more refined. High-quality materials, a cleaner dashboard design, and a focus on driver comfort make this SUV feel more like a luxury crossover than a mid-range family ride. You'll notice fewer buttons and more touch and voice integration thanks to the upgraded infotainment system. A standard 7-inch touchscreen is available, but higher trims offer a sleek 9-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now let's talk space. The CR-V has always been a champ in cargo capacity, and the 2025 model continues the tradition. You get plenty of room in the back for groceries, gear, luggage, or whatever your lifestyle demands. Fold down the rear seats, and it opens up even more space. Plus, legroom for rear passengers is generous, making it ideal for long road trips with family or friends. Under the hood, the 2025 CR-V offers two main engine options. First, there's the 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, pushing out around 190 horsepower. It's efficient, reliable, and perfect for daily driving. But if you want to take things up a notch, go for the hybrid. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder hybrid system delivers around 204 combined horsepower, and the fuel efficiency is seriously impressive, especially for an SUV of this size. The hybrid isn't just about saving gas, it also provides smoother acceleration and a quieter ride. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or cruising down the highway, the hybrid CR-V is calm, collected, and easy to drive. Honda's also made improvements to the CR-V's ride quality. It handles better, feels more planted in corners, and offers a smoother suspension setup. It's not a sports car, of course, but for an SUV, it feels agile and composed. The steering is precise, and the AWD system is smart enough to handle rain, snow, or light off-roading with confidence. And of course, safety. Honda's Sensing Suite is standard on all trims, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. Basically, the CR-V is always looking out for you and your passengers. Let's talk trims and pricing. The CR-V comes in several flavors, from the Bass LX, to the sporty Sport Hybrid, all the way to the fully loaded Touring trim. Each one offers great value, but if you can stretch your budget a little, the hybrid models are where the magic happens. You'll get better fuel economy, extra features, and a more enjoyable ride overall. As for pricing, the 2025 CR-V starts in the mid-$30,000 range, depending on your location and options. The hybrids cost a bit more but make up for it in fuel savings and smoother performance. So, Who is the 2025 Honda CR-V for? Honestly, just about everyone. Families will love the space and safety. Daily drivers will appreciate the comfort and fuel economy. And tech lovers will be happy with the modern features and clean user interface. To sum it up, the 2025 Honda CR-V doesn't reinvent the wheel, it just makes it spin smoother, quieter, and smarter. Honda took what people already loved and refined it even more. If you're shopping for a dependable SUV that balances efficiency, comfort, and a touch of style, the CR-V is still a top contender in its class. That's it for today's breakdown of the 2025 Honda CR-V. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Turbo Trends, and drop a comment below. What do you think of the new CR-V? Would you go for the hybrid, or stick with the turbo? Let us know. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep up with the trends right here on Turbo Trends.